Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to compare attars that are very famous from Kannauj, India, and I think the company name is S.MD.AYUB. So they are the legitimate or you can say the authentic producers of Shamama. So there are many different names that or qualities that they come in: Mohsin Shamama and Super Malik Shamama. So I am going to compare two of them: Mohsin Shamama, which I really enjoyed, and also the Super Malik Shamama, which is the top most quality version of Shamamas. So here I have the bottles. So this is Malik Shamama or Mohsin Shamama. I think I have the sample. I'm going to show you what is the difference between Mohsin Shamama or Malik Shamama versus the Super Malik Shamama. So first thing you are going to notice is the density. So if you look at this one, this is actually, let me show you from here. So this is the bottle. So if you can see it is very thick. If I try to rotate it, it is going to go very slow. So this one is very thick. So this is Super Malik Shamama. It is really thick, and in comparison with this one, these are a bit this is Malik Shamama. I got the samples actually because I wanted to see which one is the best, and ultimately I purchased the Super Malik Shamama. But for me, Super Malik Shamama and Mohsin Shamama, these are the two top Shamamas I would recommend. They have very great smell. Now a lot of youngsters, so if you are in your teenagers or you are a young person below 30, you might not like Shamamas because they are mostly composed of herbs and spices. So I'm going to share with you what the smell differences are. So if you look at Malik Shamama or Mohsin Shamama, they don't have too much dense or resinous smell. They have mostly spices with some sandal, or with some sandal is also, I think, in the category of spices, sweet spices, spicy kind of smell. Now if you are familiar with India or Indo-Pak, or this Indo-Pak you can say Deg system. Deg is actually a container where all the food is cooked on marriages or different ceremonies. So that Deg is actually, if you can see, if you make a perfume that relates to that food, spicy food, this is going to be this one. So if you are trying to see what it would smell, it is very spicy. It has all the spices that are going to go into the food, with some sweetness, with some resonance, with some uplifting. So it is like having pepper, having patchouli, having sandalwood, and a lot of different herbs and spices mixed together, and they are blended really well. Mostly you will get a spicy, very spicy kind of feel to it. So a lot of youngsters, they don't tend to like it. Now the difference between Malik Shamama and Super Malik Shamama: Super Malik is going to be the top most quality. It has oud and amber that are mostly you can say most prominent in it. So it is very thick, very resinous, very dense. It also has the same spiciness, and let me see, and it has, I think, more sandal. So somebody has advised me that if you try to add Cambodi oud oil, pure Cambodi oud oil, to Super Malik Shamama, you are going to enjoy it and love it. Personally, Super Malik Shamama is very resinous, very wet, mossy kind of feel, and it has herbs and spices. So it is kind of brown, more brownish kind of feel to it. If I relate it to some color, it is more brown and little green and black. So if I describe it in colors, it is going to be black, dark brown, and a little bit of green touches to it. So it is very resinous, thick. It also has oud in it. So if you compare Malik Shamama and Super Malik Shamama, or Mohsin Shamama and Super Malik Shamama has more oud, and I think Sandal is more over here. It is more thick, more resinous, more wet, more dark, and that is, I think, the best description I can go for this Super Malik Shamama. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. That is my review about Super Malik Shamama and Mohsin Shamama. Let me show both of them together so you can Super Malik Shamama, and this is actually the Malik Shamama, but Mohsin Shamama is also very close to Malik Shamama. So these are the two Shamamas, and mostly I would recommend it to use it in winters. In summers, I think you cannot use it. So these Shamamas are for winters and cold weather. So that is all my review about Super Malik Shamama, and Mohsin Shamama. I will list the notes over here. Some of the notes, I know that these are the things that go inside Shamamas, making of Shamamas. It takes a lot of time. If you can see a video of Kanauj where S.MD.AYUB and company, they actually produce this Shamama, go watch it. And I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.